stuttering, bro. Fuck. YouTube, it's your boy Bitna, bro. We're back with another video. Another POV drive. A lot has changed since y'all last seen the car. We got the Hellcat wide body reps. Yes, these is reps. I got a video dropping soon with these. I'm actually editing it right now, like as I'm recording this video, so I can start being consistent again. And we got a diffuser. Don't mind the car, bro. It's dirty. Y'all can yap, whoopty whoop. But I got some more stuff coming for the car. I'm getting some lowering springs. I ain't even finna tell y'all all of that. Y'all finna just see. Just sit back, watch. You know what I'm saying? Let's get straight into it, bro. It's hot. As y'all know, 22 RT, muffler delete. That's really it. See what I'm saying? Fuck, had to go back outside, bro. I forgot to take the thumbnail, bro. I'm selling. Let's go ahead. Ooh, it's hot. Hopefully the AC ain't blowing too hard. Actually, I'll turn that down because we're gonna have the windows rolled down anyways. Ooh. It's time to hit up some of these back road skis. Hopefully it's recording straight. Yeah, I think it's recording straight. I might put it in sport mode, I don't know. But boy, the gas price is kinda high, so I gotta drop these videos so I can get paid, man. Come on. Come on. Exhaust work though. Ooh, that bitch sound nice. That's the first time I done actually let her rip a little bit in some days. Not gonna lie, and she sound nice, y'all. Ooh, a little bumpy. Actually, now I wonder how loud a RT is, because I never heard an RT in person with long tube is in a straight pipe. I don't have a straight pipe, but I was contemplating getting some long tube headers. I had to stop because the goddamn GoPro done overheated, y'all. But we straight now. I'm back on the streets with it. Cooled it off like a cool little 5 minutes, bro. I don't even remember which way I was going, but I'm finna just go back this way real quick. Why is niggas driving, man? I think this is the way I just came from. Oh, well, I know some streets around here. I know some streets around here, though. Hopefully you don't fucking overheat again. Yeah, this is the way we just came from. Yeah. That bitch sounds so goddamn nasty. original route that I was gonna do. Real quick. Hopefully this shit don't overheat again, bro. I ain't never had no GoPro overheat. This is the first time. Let me see what it sound like. That bitch talking and shit. Man, fucking 91 degrees. I should say 92 up there. Goddamn overheating my GoPro and shit, fucking up my video. Ooh. Let me wind this down. Hopefully this shit don't overheat because I just wound down my window so y'all can hear it. You swinging that trail a little bit too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Make sure y'all stop at y'all stop signs, bruh. We follow all the rules. That shit popped. That shit sounded crazy. Alright, let me stop. Ooh. Had to bust the wood real quick, huh? Ooh. I give y'all a little pull. But you know what I'm saying? There's kids and shit out here, so you can. That towing at, bro? What in the fuck? What? Is that a Jeep? I need to do some more information. I don't know what that is.